Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D45RE15 20 GPM injector. If you haven't completed routine maintenance in a couple of years, we recommend using the kit in this video. But if you perform maintenance regularly, we suggest the mini maintenance kit. In that case, watch the D45RE15 service video using the mini maintenance kit. This video will cover routine service using the complete seal kit. Before we start, make sure the injector is clicking. If not, please watch the D45RE15 troubleshooting video. To service your D45RE15 injector, you will need the complete seal kit and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. It's best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your injector is in line, cover your stock tank so you won't lose any of the parts. Also, if the injection stem parts are dirty or have a buildup, soak them in Dosaclean or soapy water. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Set both aside. Unscrew the 4 screws around the injection sleeve. Pull the stem assembly straight down and out of the lower housing. Now unscrew and remove the hose bar. Remove the check valve seal, cone, and spring. Discard these parts. Unscrew and remove the lock nut. Then slide the anti-lock ring down and off of the white injection stem. Next, unscrew the adjustment nut and slide the metal retainer down. Press the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve and discard. Remove and replace the injection sleeve O-ring. Align the groove on the new white injection stem with the molded tooth inside the black sleeve and slide it in as far as it will go. Slide the metal retainer onto the sleeve and thread on the adjusting nut. Then slide the anti-lock ring into place and hand tighten the lock nut. Insert the new check valve spring into the new cone and press it into the stem. Now position the new check valve seal with the groove side up inside the check valve barb and hand tighten. Set the stem aside. Grasp the plunger and pull it straight down. Then remove the plunger seal by pinching and rolling it off of the plunger and discard. Install the new plunger seal into the groove on the plunger. To finish up, press the stem assembly into the lower housing. Align the 4 screws in the body and carefully hand tighten. Make sure the scale is facing outward. To install the new adapter seals, unscrew and remove the black adapters. Then remove and replace the seals. Thread the black adapters back onto the housing. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace. Now thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide the hose onto the barb and hand tighten the nut. Make sure to set the injector to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your D45RE15 injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or see the video page on our website. I'm Jason and this is Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.